Hello there. I recently did some Black Friday shopping and hope to improve my YouTube setup. So let's do a nice little unboxing to see what I got. Because what's in this box is going to help me go from this to this. No, the other way around. Yeah, this is better. Why am I holding the box if this is how it looks? That's because this box it's empty. It's empty. There's nothing in it. But this box is not. I got Amazon Prime for this, and I was really excited to get that 2-day delivery, and it took a grand total of 5 days for me to get this package. Yeah, let's say I complained. I was very excited to get this box open though. Ooh la la. What I picked up was a wireless mic, a mood light, an accent light, and a tripod. First up was the newer FL10 light. Small Rig has a similar version. I went to newer because it was slightly cheaper, and from the reviews I looked at, the brightness control and just the brightness of the light were supposed to be brighter. Can I say brighter? Brighter? Newer's light is supposedly brighter, and that's why I chose it. I skipped taking out the foam block, but once I had this light in my hands, it felt so solid. Like, seemed like really nice construction, real beefy. It's almost like a brick. Yeah, like that. Ooh. This is a rubber attachment to attaching the gobos to the light. I was really excited to try them out. Nice little carrying case that barely carries anything. It fits the light and the charging cable. The tripod. I went with the Ulanzi MT78. The reason I chose this bad boy is because of how high it goes. It gets up to about 185 centimeters, so taller than I am. Long, sturdy base. Innuendo. Another big selling point for me was the fact that the phone holder is actually separate from the tripod mount. So I can attach anything I want to that, but then have the fold part, the phone part, fold away, phone away. This thing also seems pretty solid in terms of construction, although when it is at its highest height, it does get a little wobbly, but for a quick, easy setup, I don't think you can beat it. It does have a USB trigger. Don't think I'll use it. Next, the small rig vibe light. At time of recording, I threw the box away already. But you won't miss out, don't worry. There it is, the box. Now I'll admit, this thing was way smaller than I expected. I don't know what I was expecting, but maybe something twice the size? It didn't occur to me until I opened a small box that it was going to be smaller, but it is pretty cool. Ah, the hidden instructions. Another thing you should probably read first. And finally, what I was most excited for was the DJI. The DJI Mic 2. That's what I was looking forward to the most. And the thing I was looking forward to the most, the DJI mic. I went with the Mic 2 because it was way cheaper and it has lavalier capabilities, which is something, I don't know why, I thought, yes. So that's why I got it. As you can see, I set up my little vibe light to just get the mood going right away. The light was actually distracting, so I got rid of it. Really have to focus on unboxing. Yeah. Sleek. Ooh, stickers. Love stickers. Yeah, don't need that anymore. Those aren't instructions. Ah. Yummy. Dead cat number 1, dead cat number 2. And the camera cord. A big reason for getting a mic, of course, is my room is garbage. It has terrible acoustics, but this thing picks it up, no problem. Loving it. Loving it. Of course, when I say pick it up, I mean it doesn't pick up the terrible acoustics. Yeah. Ooh la la. Can't wait to use these. It took me forever to get this magnet off. It is solid. So can definitely trust that that mic isn't going anywhere if you use the magnet. Well, I had fun unboxing that. It was a lot of fun. I had lots of fun. That was great. As you can see, I should have charged these things before I used them for the first time in hopes to improve my YouTube setup. that just turned off. The Vibe light died.
Let me guess. You're dead. Of course you are.
Good thing I was only running it at 5% power. Anyway, thanks for unboxing with me and taking for a ride. I'm going to do more of these talking head things, so stay tuned. Take her easy.